We made it on the beach finally!
We're here, and it's shred time. We are gonna start an activity like we said before. It's gonna be soccer. What is going on, guys? It is Joseph and Kate.
Back with another great video for you guys.
It's episode 3 out here in Outer Banks. And it's a beautiful day finally, 4 days in.
It is so hot and we're on our way to the beach.
We got it all, guys. Chairs.
He has a surfboard. I have my boogie board.
It's a beautiful day out here. Maybe there's some waves, so we're gonna enjoy it, make the most of it.
And then tonight is our night to cook dinner for everyone.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So we'll
How many
vlog that
people?
too. 32, I think.
We gotta feed 32 mouths.
We're doing like a Mexican night with tacos and everything. And then we're doing pudding dirt for dessert. So we'll bring you guys along our day.
Yeah, we'll tell you how that
It'll be a
goes.
good one.
So yeah, let's get this day going.
We made it on the beach finally!
We're here, and it's shred time.
Oh yeah. We're here and the weather is awesome. We have
great.
The fam starting to roll into the beach.
Everyone's coming, it's gonna be a great day. You're gonna have some fun activities. Waves 2 to 3 feet, water 70 degrees. Beautiful day out here, guys.
Honestly, the water feels like below
It feels
freezing.
like it's 20 degrees.
It does.
But you'll warm up real quick in there. So let's get some shots. It's a gamble every time. But we can try again tomorrow.
There's always tomorrow.
Alright guys, right now, like we said,
We have the loudest plane in history while we're trying to talk.
we are gonna start an activity like we said before. It's gonna be soccer. We're setting up the goals right now. And we're just gonna get this thing going.
My family has been known for playing soccer since we were like toddlers. So we're still playing to this day. It's always so fun.
And we go hard.
Alright, we're doing a 4 versus 4.
It's me, Alex, Connor, and Jeremy. Versus Trevor, Kate, Kate's sister Emily, and Isaac. And we're gonna come out on top. game. My team won 3-0, 3-1. And that's it for the soccer game. All right guys, so like I said, my team came out on top, 3-1. Just my team had the fundamentals, passing, and it just all came together. Okay, so that's it for the soccer game, and I don't know what we're gonna do next. All right guys, so that is it for the beach. Headed back right now, 3:30. Gotta start cooking for 32 people, but the beach was fun, it was hot, and I'm glad we finally got out there, because this is what we came here for. Played some soccer, did some surfing, tried to do some surfing, and just got out there, just lived in Outer Banks. Just living it up in the sun. Now we gotta make some, what are we making?
You don't even know.
We're making pudding for dessert.
Pudding for dessert with crushed up Oreos and gummy worms, but for dinner we're doing tacos, burritos,
burritos,
and rice bowls.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we're on our way back. Gotta start cooking up some dinner. Class is in session. Taco shells. Oh my gosh.
We are prepping the workstation.
Workstation's being prepped. This is what we're working with here. Bang. We got the beans. Bang. And whole wheat
Yeah.
tortillas. Wow. I have no idea what's going on here. I'm kind of just the filmer. Connor's got the cleaning job. And we're kind of just probably getting in their way. But yeah, this thing's gonna be delish. Alright guys, it's all coming together. We got whatever this is.
Queso.
The queso's working. Shells, everything's getting formed in a nice formation here. And
we got the burners on.
we got 4, I don't even know how many burners.
We got the burners on.
The tray's all set up.
Not even.
Not even?
They're in the fridge.
Oh my gosh, is this all ours? I don't even know. I think these are ours, coming out. And my stuff is in the oven because I don't eat this stuff. I'm not a fan of it. Got the chicken tendies and the fries going. And we got like 30 more minutes till showtime. You think we got this?
Easy.
It's all laying out. The girls are getting it set up. This is my dinner.
Nacho cheese. Hard and a soft.
Here is the finished product, guys. Everyone loves it.
Except me, because I didn't get it.
Except Joe.
We got the dirt that Connor, Trevor, and I did all by ourselves. Not at all, but it's about to be dished out and looks pretty good. Cleanup job.
Cleanup job is done.
Cleanup job is done. No dishes. Everything is tip-top shape.
Top shape. We had the best dinner of the week.
What did we do today?
We went to the beach,
Went
and
to
it
the
was the
beach.
first good beach day that we've had yet this whole trip. Yeah, as you can see, we're a little bit toasty.
We're toasty, guys.
Our cheeks and our noses are a little bit red.
But we like it.
And the sun made us really tired. We came back, we cooked up in the kitchen.
That's
Everyone was
so
like, this is the best dinner yet. It was so good.
And the
Really
dirt, guys, the dessert. Oh, I went back with another cup. Got seconds.
I did too later on.
It was so good.
And then,
Just relax.
yeah, just relaxed. And now we're here.
And over here saying the outro. Alright guys, so that is episode 3, Outer Banks, and we will catch you in the next Outer Banks one, just in case.
See you next time.